Networking is often misunderstood as just collecting business cards, but it is actually about building mutually beneficial professional relationships over time. At its core, networking is the process of exchanging information, ideas, and support with people who share your professional interests. Data suggests that a significant majority of open positions are filled through referrals and professional networks rather than job boards. You can start by attending industry mixers, reaching out for brief informational chats, or simply staying active in professional communities. It is important to distinguish networking from sales. Networking is about long-term relationships, while sales is focused on a specific transaction. Your network tends to grow exponentially as you meet more people and maintain those initial connections through consistent follow-ups. This popular saying emphasizes that the quality of your relationships often determines the access and opportunities you have in your career. Building a network takes patience. Focus on helping others and staying genuine. Check our other guides for more career tips. Thanks for watching.